Hi beauty, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, my name is Sonia. In today's video I will be showing you how I've achieved these handmade curls. Yes, they are handmade curls, and I use expression hair that costs just £3. This is £3 hairstyle, guys. Yeah, so if you like to see how I've achieved it, stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright guys, this is the processing now. Actually, I got one pack of hair extensions and I've cut this hair into 3 pack, and I pull the tips out. This is how I pull the tips out. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, because into this channel to so many DIYs, guys. I share so many DIYs, and I also share affordable hairstyle in this channel, and I also talk about makeup and beauty, some hacks, how to do makeup and everything. So guys, kindly subscribe and make sure you press the notification bell on. Press the notification bell on. So guys, okay guys, actually what I'm doing now, I'm only taking a small piece of hair, and I'm also using my curl, what did I call the name of this thing, curl, I think is my perm road, yeah, perm road curls. So that's what I'm using, and I'm showing the process. I did like 2 different times. I'm showing you guys the process. This is the big one I have, and I also got the smaller size. So what I'm actually doing is twisting the hair around. I'm twisting the hair around the my perm road. Is it perm road? I think so. Yeah, I'm twisting my extension around the perm road and seal it with the cord on the side, so it doesn't unravel from the perm road. So actually you have to twist the extension before putting it around the, guys, I'm really I'm not really good with explaining, but I hope you can see what I'm trying to explain on the video. So just watch and see how I'm doing it. I'm going to repeat the process one more time again, so you see how I'm doing it very well. So guys, all I'm doing is just to wrap it. I twist it and wrap, twist it, wrap, twist it and wrap it on the perm road until you reach the end of the extension, and you seal it with the cord on the side. So that is basically what I'm doing, guys. Hope that makes sense. Hope you understand it very well, the detail. Guys, I finished with the wrapping now. All I'm doing, I'm pouring hot water inside the plastic to soak all the wood inside. And after me pouring the water, I take all the water out, let it cool for a while. I actually put a bit of cold water on top of it to cool it very well, and to get the curls properly. I pour some cold water on it, and I drain all the water out, let it cool and set, and this is the result of my curls right now, guys. Okay guys, these curls, it can be used straight in a hole, or you can also use it as a loose curls. So to achieve a loose curls is you to divide a whole curls into two, which I'm trying to do. And I love the result, how it came out, because it's really beautiful as a loose curls. And also you can use it, you can also use it in a whole curls if you don't want to separate them into two. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So this one is the loose curls after divide them into two, and I'm going to show you the one without dividing, how it looks like. This one now I'm unraveling. This one is not divided. You can see how tight and beautiful this is a tool. So alright guys, so I'm about to use my curls, my handmade curls, a 3 pounds curls guys, just 3 pounds. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, if you try this style at home, please comment down below. Try it at home and let me know what you think about it. So guys, I'm spraying my daughter's hair, get her hair ready, and I'm going to style her hair with my 3 pound curls guys. All right, so please comment down below if you recreate this style. Comment down below if you try to do the curls at home by yourself. And yeah, keep on watching guys. Okay guys, for the front style I decide not to do something really tight. I just do a a flat twist on the hair for the base, because I will be attaching crochet and I don't want something that will have too much tension on the scalp. So I decide to do flat twist on the head, something really soft. And this style is a style that is she's only gonna wear it maybe for 2 3 weeks and I'm gonna take it off. So I decided to do something simple on the front and cornrow the remaining hair. So because I was so I mean, like I couldn't wait to see the result of the curls on the head. So I went ahead to put the crochet first in the front before I even can roll the back. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned and carry on watching. Hi guys, this is the final look of my hairstyle. If you like this video, kindly comment down below. Please let me know your thoughts, what you think about this hairstyle, and if you try this curls, handmade curls at home, please comment down below. And also, if you haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe and press the notification bell guys. And yeah, I will see you on my next video right here. make sure you click my next video. Let me see you on the other side of my next video. Okay guys, see you soon.